Hello viewers, I'm Asma and you're watching Virtuoso Palette, your own art channel. Today I'm beginning a new series of paintings that is a continuation of silhouettes. But the topic is meditation, yoga. So let's go to look, watch and observe. But don't forget to comment and share with your friends who are yoga lovers. Viewers, I already shared that I shall be painting the pose Sukhasana, meaning the easy pose again. So I've just started painting for the pose. I'm applying primary blue with white for the base, and I shall be adding some orange, cadmium yellow, vermilion red and burnt sienna along with white or black. You can see how I'm blending the colors. Now Sukhasana, easy pose, is a simple cross-legged sitting asana, sometimes used in both Buddhism and Hinduism. Many benefits for those who practice this pose are like it stretches and lengthens your spine, broadens your collarbone and chest, calms your mind. Enhance your condition of peacefulness and serenity. It really helps in improving body posture, etc. Now I am applying strokes in a manner that would give me the base for the placement of the figure using Sukhasana. Like I won't need to work a lot in the figure except for the gradual layers. Now you can see the stencil. I'm filling primary blue with a bit of black and some white. I'm using a thin brush, viewers, and you can see that I'm filling the stencil, applying circular strokes to merge the layers of paint with the previous one. This is primary blue and black with which I have started, and then white with burnt sienna, creating gradual layers. Here I'm using the same primary blue and black. It will be a continuation of these shades again and again. There's white. All the strokes are applied in a circular motion of my brush. You know, viewers, I really enjoyed painting this pose because I felt it's easy and enjoyable. This easy pose, Sukhasana, is the name for any comfortable cross-legged seated position and one of the most basic poses used in yoga practice and meditation. While I have applied several layers to bring the figure in light, more darker tones here, more black with the primary blue and a bit of burnt sienna. And now let's take off the stencil and let's give some final strokes to make the figure a part of the atmosphere I have created. Again, circular motions of my brush. A few strokes in the sky using the same paint application brush, and I might use a fan brush too. There you go, using a fan brush, a few more strokes in the sky. So viewers, I shall be waiting for your response to this asana. Take care. Viewers, I expect that you liked this version of silhouettes too. See you in the next video with another silhouette. Till then, bye.